The map says it's this way, and this way is where we're going to go. I don't give a hoot rat about your mumbo jumbo, spirit, and whatever you call it. Here is my duty. Oh Lord.
This is Africa, a country called Ghana.
We're actually looking for this village. As in Penyin?
Yeah, Penny. As in Penny,
yes! We finally made it! Now, this is where you hail me.
So my 2 naked eyes. This is what my mother told me. Exactly the way it is on the map.
Are you sure you're a real professor?
Yes.
You should know the difference between an old man and a young man. I don't have the strength to run again.
Joyce.
Just go. Jesus Christ!
I am Sophie. You say baby,
Bloody dwarf only has its powers here in this forest. If we get to the city, it will have no powers, but you won't listen.
Just whenever from there,
English?
What am I doing to you? When I'm going anyway, what I'm going to say, no. I was going so to up
But that money is good to die for.
You are supposed to take us through this forest to the community. Where did you stop?
Mente. What are you maintaining?
This thing you see here is river and the mami water. They inside.
Take this and do ninja skills.
Oh, we should disguise.
Yes, disguise.
But you just brought this out of your anus.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You talking about me?
No. You're talking about our history.
You better be.
Yeah, I better be. Are you too white?
I be black and white.
Oh my God, I'm me and to your mama asaura. There be mine, your wadi oh yeah.